diagram here, we're playing the diagram, right? Youngest one after last. Try to get the ball, alright? Answer that. Nice and easy here. 6 on each side. 6 on each side. Protect here. I will keep on now. See that here now, improve now. We step it up and get it moving. Here, with the movements, it's just shoot, come here, back, and we go. Now command the station, even up the line. Command the station, even up the line. Let's go, play, let's go, Nick, go. Just everyone do the man. That's already, go. That's the one. Look here, that's it. Walk up. Love it, that's it. Tempo. Come on, tempo. That's it. Good. Come on, look. Yes. Next part. Look. Got it. The other one. That's tomorrow. Yes. That's it. Complete it. That's it, Len. Look. Yes. I'll go again. That's it. The block cross now. That's it. Love it. Go. That's the quality. Nice. That's the quality. Good job. That's it. Good. Yes. Tell him to quick faster now. Get somewhere whatever there's a good down. Yeah. That's it. Yes, King. Yes. Oh, right up here.